Ladies and gentlemen, friends, brothers, foes, and the kids. Now here we are just trying to understand how to install BlueJ on Mac. So now this is the website. I just visited this website, and from there this is the website. You say BlueJ websites, bluej.org. Just go there and download this Mac OS versions for you. And now it has already come into this double. So I'm just opening it, double click, and then here the BlueJ is kind of ready. So now see the verifying BlueJ is coming, open, and it's getting installed now slowly. So here you see the BlueJ is just, you have to agree to the licensing part. I agree to take part and certify that I am 16 or older. So you just install, and now you see your BlueJ is ready. And this is how, so this is how the BlueJ works. Now you see, use this project to create new, and now you can see this is your BlueJ is ready. So this is how the first, I'm just again just giving you the recap, that first you go to the bluej.org website. From there you download the BlueJ package for applications, like for whatever operating system you are using. If you are using Windows, you can download this one. If you are using Mac, then you can download this one for Ubuntu and Debian. This is for any other kind of platforms. You can just, if you want plain Java, then you can download this one. Now it comes into the download folder. Go there, double click this, and then it will be installed. Follow the instruction, and now your application is ready. Thank you very much. This is how it goes. Now we'll go in the next video and try to run our first program. Thank you very much.